Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. What if I told you that one of the greatest engineering achievements on Earth does not simply cross the sea, it disappears beneath it. Stretching across the waters of the Pearl River estuary. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge is far more than a transportation route. It is a massive system of bridges, artificial islands, underwater tunnels, highways, ventilation facilities, marine structures, and advanced safety systems, all working together as one continuous machine.
Before vehicles could travel across this route, engineers first had to create stable ground in open water.
But this megaproject did not begin with a bridge. It began with the sea. Giant marine equipment moved into position.
Rock, sand, and engineered fill were carefully placed to form artificial islands.
Capable of supporting tunnel portals, technical facilities, roadways, and enormous structural loads. Every layer had to be controlled. Every elevation had to be measured. Every section had to resist waves, tides, wind, settlement, and the constant pressure of the surrounding sea.
Around the new islands, permanent seawalls and massive rock revetments were constructed.
These protective layers became the first line of defense against the harsh marine environment.
Then came one of the most difficult stages, building the tunnel approaches.
Deep excavations were created inside temporary retaining systems. Reinforcement cages, waterproofing layers, structural foundations.
Walls and roof slabs were installed in a strict sequence.
Nothing could appear too early. Nothing could be placed out of order. Because in a project of this scale, one incorrect step could affect everything that followed.
The tunnel portal slowly took shape beneath the artificial island.
Its concrete shell was completed, protected, waterproofed, and surrounded by carefully balanced structural backfill. The soil could not simply be dumped into place.
It had to be installed in controlled layers on both sides of the structure. Each layer was compacted to a precise density so that pressure remained balanced.
And the tunnel walls were not pushed out of alignment.
Temporary steel supports were removed only when surrounding ground was strong enough. Then the portal roof was buried beneath multiple engineered fill layers. What had once been a huge open excavation gradually disappeared. Above it, a new island surface emerged.
Road foundations were constructed. Drainage pipes and inspection chambers were installed. Base layers were placed, compacted, tested, and shaped to correct gradient.
Then came the permanent roadway.
Smooth asphalt lanes connected the marine bridge to the artificial island.
Guided traffic toward the underwater tunnel.
Barriers, lighting, ventilation equipment, monitoring systems, technical buildings.
important emergency facilities and service roads completed the infrastructure.
After years of construction, the project was finally ready for its most important test: operation. At sunrise, the first controlled vehicles entered the completed tunnel portal.
All right, ladies, push on 3. 1, 2, 3.
3. Got it.
A little more to the left.
Left.
Hold it there. Perfect.
Surrounded by ventilation systems, drainage channels, emergency access points, and reinforced structural walls.
Soon, light testing traffic became normal, daily operation.
Passenger cars, buses, and heavy freight vehicles began moving continuously.
Between the bridge, the artificial islands, and the immersed tunnel.
In the middle of the day, the completed road endured intense coastal heat. Sunlight reflected from the sea, while waves of heat shimmer rose above the asphalt. At sunset, the entire project transformed. Golden light spread across the water. Roadway lamps activated one after another. The tunnel portals began to glow against the darkening horizon. Then night arrived. Streams of headlights moved across the bridge like rivers of light.
Deep beneath the sea, vehicles continued through the tunnel.
While powerful ventilation systems maintained a safe environment. Even during heavy coastal rain, the corridor remained operational. Water flowed toward permanent drainage systems. Tire spray covered the roadway, and vehicles continued moving carefully through the illuminated portal. At dawn, maintenance teams inspected the completed infrastructure, all while normal traffic continued in protected lanes nearby. This is what makes the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge extraordinary.
It is not just its size. It is the precision hidden beneath every visible surface, where every island was engineered. Every tunnel section was protected.
Every road layer was measured. Every system was designed to operate together.
They checked drainage inlets, roadway barriers, lighting systems, structural surfaces, and technical equipment.
From reclaimed land in the open sea to a tunnel buried beneath the water.
To bridges carrying thousands of vehicles across the horizon. This project represents what is possible when human ambition is supported by engineering discipline.
Today, vehicles travel smoothly across a route that once existed only as open water.
Ships pass below the bridge, traffic moves above the waves, and beneath the sea, an underwater highway connects the entire system.
The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge is not simply a bridge. It is a road across the ocean, a tunnel beneath the sea.
Chain of artificial islands created by human hands. And a powerful reminder that even the most impossible landscapes can be transformed. One carefully engineered layer at a time. Heavy armor stones are placed individually to construct durable seawall revetments. Interlocked tetrapod armor walls shield the island perimeter from typhoon-strength sea surges. Reinforced concrete crown walls seal the breakwater crest against high tide overtopping. Final surface grading prepares the artificial island for highway and portal construction. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, a triumph of human ambition and engineering excellence.